How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can reset your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. Basically, to reset the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro to the factory settings, you want to open the top cover, press and hold the reset button for around 3 seconds. If you want to reset the Wi-Fi only, you want to hold the power and recharge button simultaneously for around 7 seconds. For the app-related issues, you want to delete the map in the Mi Home or the Xiaomi Home application. Now, once again, for the factory reset button, you want to locate the button on the top cover of the robot. From there, you want to press on the reset button, often near the Wi-Fi indicator. You then want to execute the reset. You want to use a toothpick or the similar tool to press and hold the button for around 3 seconds. Now, as a warning, this will erase all of your maps, custom settings, and configurations. So before you do that, that's what will happen. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.